it's a very sad, people who are mentally sick, such things are happening in our society. It's a very shameful. But even though immediately, with a lot of support of the local people and of the people and the police, they took him to custody. And later on, the accused was so very aggressive. He tried to, make an attempt, especially assault on the police department. Likewise, for a safety, there is a procedure under law, so they have taken action, and he's been shot dead. He's been encountered, you can say.
Sir, is there any compensation will be disclosed to the
Government of Karnataka, Mr. Siddaramaiah ji, yesterday Mr. Member of Legislative Council, Mr. Salim Ahmed Saab, has declared 10 lakhs rupees as a compensation, and I'll request Honorable CM to increase the compensation.
Sir, many of North Indians are involved in such things. So, to curb, what actions will be taken by?
It's more of awareness has to be there, because when child is there, when your child is there, our child is there, or even we see somebody's child, we should be all, as a society, we should be all very agile and looking at it. But when these things happen, we speak, and we forget. We don't want to forget. But as a police department, whichever government, whichever state, this things is a more of a social issue which we need to really seriously look into. But definitely, henceforth, all such incidents will always give government to take an edge to take much preventive actions on such things.
Three of the police department, our police people have been assaulted by the victim. One is the lady inspector by name Annapurna, and one head constable and the other police. So I've come just to see them. They are out of danger, and the hospital has taken care of them, and perhaps in next 2-3 days they'll be discharged.
Has been shot dead.
As you all know, morning at about 10:45, the girl, who was about 5 years old, was picked up from the place where she was playing. The accused of the case has killed the girl in an abandoned shed, just in front of the place where she was allowed to play by her mother. And after that, with the assistance of some local people and our police personnel have taken this girl into custody. He was very vigorously interrogated, in which he revealed that his name is Ritesh Kumar. He is about 35 years old and he belonged to Patna, city of Bihar. This is what was the disclosure, and he elaborated about the whole incident, how the crime has taken place. So to get additional and elaborate information about the accused, when he was taken to his alleged place of stay near Raipura, Rainal underpass. He tried to run away by assaulting our police, and in the process he was prevented from running away by our PSI. PSI was initially air-fired, later fired on him, and 2 of the bullets hit him, one in the leg and another in the back side of his chest. And he was brought immediately to medical aid to KMC, and he was declared corporate. So the due process will follow. Yesterday, as it was late and there was huge gathering near Ashoknagar police station and other places, our officers were occupied preventing crowd from committing any untoward incident. And parents also agreed to get the postmortem done today morning. And now the inquest process on the girl is going on. Once that is completed, postmortem will be done, and body will be handed over to the parents. And regarding further procedures on the accused, so we have a set procedure to investigate these kind of cases where the death has happened of police fire. So the due procedures will be followed.
Sir, how you are going to reveal the identity of accused, as he was mentioned only in his name and place of...
I try to, because this fellow has been around here, he must be having some acquaintances. He must have had some family member or relative, or the people belonging to his native, and many other things. So we have our own set of processes. It's not the first case that identity of the accused was traced back to his roots. We will make all efforts to ensure that he is traced back to his roots, and family members or his close acquaintances would be necessary to conduct further procedure investigation. So we will try to do it quickly. We have formed teams to be sent to Bihar and also to the neighboring places where probably this person must have stayed for some time in the past.
Thank you, sir.